Hey
Morning.
guys. Hey, yeah, good morning. You caught me off guard with that, but hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. I'm Arthur, and this is my wife.
Stacy. I thought you were going to introduce me.
That was your cue
Oh,
to say your
okay.
name. So, hey, today we're on the west side of the Cohuttas, and we're going to try to come up here and explore Jack Rivers Falls. Ultimately end up south of Tellico on Witt Road. So we're just going to ride around, see what we find. And I think this is Jack's River on this bridge.
Yep.
This is Jack's River?
Jack's River.
Where'd you see that at?
The brown sign that we just
well, that'd be
passed.
Jack Rivers Falls up here too, then, won't it? Okay.
Yes, it would.
So let's take a look at this river. You're supposed to walk with me.
Oh. Pan
Turn.
out. Oh, we're turning?
We're turning.
This bridge is cool, y'all.
We're turning. You're getting out of the view.
Okay. And here we are.
We made it to Jack River Falls.
Woohoo!
It's just a little waterfall here on the side of the road. Small little creek. It's pretty cool. I mean, it is what it is, just a little waterfall. That's a cute little waterfall. Good thing it's easy to get to.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of ice it would form in the wintertime. It'd be kind of cool. Or, it is wintertime, but with the below freezing temperatures. Oh, I was going to help you.
Proceed to Ladd Springs Road.
Just so y'all know, we're riding on Ladd Springs Road. Correct?
Yeah, she has reminded us that 402 times the GPS has.
We're on it. So now where are we headed?
Well, we're almost back out here on 411, and we're going to take 411 up to 64, and we're going to ride along the north side of the Ocoee, and we're going to pick up another road. I'm not sure quite what it is yet. We'll have to wait on the GPS to tell us, but we're going to pick up another road and head north and come in on the south end of Tellico Plains. And, that's all we got so far. You need to stop.
Continue 7 miles.
We're on 411. Woohoo!
Here's one of the dams on the Ocoee River. I think there's 3 along through here on Highway 64 or State Road 64. Well, Are you having a good time so far?
Yeah. Scenery's been pretty.
Yeah, it has been.
Yeah, it's a little cool. Not as cold as last weekend, but
No, that was cold at Bald River Falls, wasn't it?
this weekend the wind is like, yeah.
Yeah, the wind's blowing a lot more, but stick around with us, and we're going to drive up, and hopefully it's a pretty ride. I think it should be a pretty ride up to Tellico.
We hope so.
It should be pretty around through the river here. I've been down this road a few times. So.
See the wind? Listen
Wind,
and
hair,
remember,
don't care.
it's the weekend. Get out. Get off the couch. Put the
Yep.
remote down. Live.
Get outdoors.
Yeah. Freeze like us. Okay, we have a couple of miles before we get to where we need to turn again. Listen, let me tell you one thing I've learned from this man. Doesn't matter where you ride, where you go, what you do. Just get out and ride.
Yeah. It's about being outdoors, that's for sure.
Yeah. I mean, he used to be a dual sport kind of guy.
I still am.
Still is.
I got to clean the carburetor on the KLR 650 though, but I'm going to get that carburetor cleaned up, get that thing running, and I need to get to riding it this year in 2020.
But let me tell you about the dual sport. I ain't riding with him. No.
I've been trying to get you to get one.
No, he can't hardly drive four wheels. Listen, he rides the yellow line. But seriously, on a serious note, this is something that Jeeping is something you can do as a family, as a couple, individually.
Yep.
You don't always have to have people to go ride with you. Just get out and explore. There are so many other things that we have on our bucket list that we're going to try to accomplish and share with you all by the end of March. There's a couple of cool places that we both want to go. Tell us where your favorite place to ride is. I mean, you all are seeing some of ours. Some of this is just literally a fly by the seat of our pants type thing, isn't it?
Do a little research on the internet, watch a couple videos, get some information from Facebook groups, and then just go.
Here we go. So let us know, what's your thoughts? Where are you going? Where have you been? Where do you want to go? Stay tuned because we're just getting started.
Yeah. See, another fellow Jeeper out doing their thing. headed to go get milk, bread.
Now they are calling for a chance of wintry mix.
People in the South, when they call for wintry mix,
Milk and bread.
Yep, milk and bread, and we go crazy
For those milk sandwiches.
I don't know why.
Where are we?
We're on Witt Road, which is south of Tellico Plains. And I've never been on Witt Road, but I've seen numerous videos. Seems to be pretty famous with the dual sport crowd. I think there's a couple of water crossings that kind of get people's attention. But it's definitely just a pretty road, Forest Service road out in the country. Fixing to encounter our first water crossing on Witt Road.
Look at the little one.
That was it.
Pretty cool. Little baby one. Don't always got to be the big water holes. I mean, the
No, I
small
like
ones.
water crossings in general.
Me too.
Well, they're not deep at all, are they?
Well,
Those four-wheelers came through here, didn't they?
I don't know where they went. Looks like there's a... Oh, it's a little deep.
It was a little deep.
Look at that water's poured in down there. Anyways, what I was saying was, we thought it was raining on us, but guess what?
We actually had sleet hitting the windshield.
Yes. You can see them
It's
pinging.
not that cold, though.
Well,
It's
no, but
crazy.
you can see them as they ping off the hood of the Jeep.
Hey, so that's our video for today.
Yep.
The water crossings at Witt Road was pretty cool. Other than that, Witt Road is just a Forest Service road, just a gravel road, kind of winding, nice through the mountains. But besides the water crossing, not a lot of excitement there. But just overall, the scenery around Ocoee River, Hiwassee River,
Yep.
and just driving up, coming in on the south side of Tellico Plains was nice, and I've had a good time. So we just explored, and that was our message earlier in the video, was just
Get out.
get outdoors and enjoy. You don't have to have a Jeep to do it. Jeeps are really good about it because you can take doors off, tops off,
Yep.
that kind of thing. But there's plenty of other vehicles that you can get outdoors with. Most people got sport utilities today, so those vehicles are perfect for getting outdoors. But
Yep.
I'd like to hear your comments below. Anything else that you'd like to see in next upcoming videos? You got anything?
Thanks for watching.
Yep.
See you in about 7 days.
I got to go to work on Monday, so I'm spoiled. I've been off for 2 weeks straight, and next week's gonna be rough.
He can suck it up.
Yeah, but I don't know. Next week I may have to work on the Jeep some. I don't know if we're gonna. I got new shocks to install on the Jeep, so that's gonna be coming.
Okay.
Some Rancho shocks, adjustable shocks. Those are kind of cool. I'm excited to get those installed. But that's it, guys.
Thanks for watching. See
Yep.
you next time.
Yep.